Be careful, Icarus. Icarus. Kite. Look, I am making a kite. Careful, those scissors are sharp. Don't spill. Oops. Good job. Yeah, good job. I can hold it. I can fly it. Higher. Be careful, Icarus. Don't worry, we can fix it. Can we try again? Sure. Icarus's wings. Icarus's dad was good at making things. One day, he made a maze for a king. A maze is a walkway with high walls and many connecting paths and turns. Icarus and his dad walked into the maze and got lost. But then, Icarus's dad had an idea. He made 2 pairs of big magic wings. They put the wings on their arms and flapped them. Whoosh! Up into the sky they flew. Icarus's dad warned him to be careful and not fly too high, but Icarus was so excited that he didn't listen. He flew higher and higher, moving close to the sun. His magic wings were made of feathers glued together by wax. When the hot sun melted the wax, Icarus's wings broke apart and he splashed into the sea below. The end. Please subscribe.